Want to start using Claude AI but don't know where to begin? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Claude step by step. From creating an account to writing better prompts and getting powerful AI results fast. Whether you want help with school, business, coding, content creation, or everyday tasks, Claude can save you hours of work once you know how to use it correctly. Claude is an AI assistant made by Anthropic. It works similarly to Chat. Many people use Claude for writing, brainstorming, coding, research, and long-form conversations. Claude can answer questions, summarize documents, generate ideas, write scripts, and even help you learn new skills to get started. Go to Claude AI, click Sign Up, enter your email, verify your phone number, and create your account. You can use Claude in your browser, on desktop, or on mobile devices. Once you log in, you'll see the chat box at the bottom. This is where you type prompts. On the left side, you'll see your conversation history. At the top, you can switch between different Claude models depending on your subscription. You can also upload files and documents for Claude to analyze. The secret to getting better results is writing better prompts. Bad prompt: write me something about cars. Good prompt: write a 30-second TikTok script explaining how ceramic coating protects car paint. In simple terms, the more specific you are, the better Claude performs. You can also ask Claude to rewrite content, summarize information, generate business ideas, write emails, create scripts, explain complicated topics. Example 1, content creation. Write me a viral YouTube short script about auto detailing. Example 2, school help. Explain photosynthesis like I'm 12 years old. Example 3, business. Give me 10 side hustle ideas under $500. Example 4, coding. Build a simple landing page for an auto detailing business. Claude is especially useful because it handles long conversations and detailed instructions very well. One powerful feature is document uploads. You can upload PDFs, notes, spreadsheets, or text files and ask Claude to summarize or analyze them. For example, summarize a business contract, explain study notes, turn a PDF into bullet points, create social media captions from documents. Claude has both free and paid plans. The free version is enough for most beginners, but paid plans give you higher usage limits and access to more advanced models. And that's how to use Claude AI. If you want, I can also make videos on best Claude prompts, how to make money with Claude, Claude versus Chat, using Claude for business, using Claude for coding. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.